Hello, I'm in a 2014 Volkswagen Passat, and I'm going to show you to open the trunk. So first you want to make sure your vehicle's unlocked with all the doors, which it is. And then right in here, right here, you'll find, almost feels like a button. But you'll just push and it opens. And for some reason all else fails and you can't get this open, this is what the release looks like from the inside, which you can access by going through the back seat through that opening there with a hook. Maybe if you're somebody really small, you can actually climb into the trunk, but ideally you can get it open without that by just going through these. That's what that button kind of looks like right in here. Maybe once you do get it open, check there's no debris or anything getting stuck. Maybe need a little more grease, WD-40 in there to loosen it. But that's it. That's what it should look like swinging open properly. But otherwise, there's this release as well. So you can pull that and that should help. But otherwise, I hope that was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.